Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name is Austin and today we're going to be taking a look at the 7000 LX Flood Hog. Designed for the most serious restoration jobs out there, the Flood Hog is a powerful, portable flood extractor that is going to have you delivering unheard of dry times. Let's check it out. Okay, so we've got our machine here. We rotomold these on site from polyethylene, giving you that nice durable but lightweight housing that you've come to expect from Mytee. I've got the nice big stainless steel handle there. It has a good sturdy feel to it, as well as the 10-inch foam wheels and the casters underneath. This makes maneuvering this machine super simple, really easy. We also have the loading buddy wheels already pre-installed on the back here, which will help you roll the machine up into your van or truck, turning a two-person loading job into a one-man operation with no ramps required. Now, before we get into the operation and specs for this thing, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the accessories that are going to come with every Flood Hog from Mytee. 25-foot pump-out hose with cam lock fitting, and two 50-foot extension cords. Don't forget to add the optional Flood Hog accessory kit featuring the S-bend swivel wand tube, scalloped extraction head, a squeegee extraction head, 25-foot extraction hose, and 2-inch to 1.5-inch cuff links reducer. Alright, so to get started, first thing we need to do is connect to power. I can use the included extension cords to connect to two separate grounded circuits. Once I have my cords plugged in with enough power, I'll actually see them light up, letting me know that we're good to go. In situations where I can only find one 20-amp circuit available, I can actually run the machine off of its primary cord, which will run power to one of the vacuum motors and the pump out for extra convenience. Now, once I have power taken care of, the next thing we need to do is set up our hoses. First one I'm going to do is the vacuum hose from our extraction tool. I can twist it right here onto the cuff link fitting on the front, like so. Once that's taken care of, it's time to go ahead and get our pump out set up. So, in addition to the drain valve here on the front of the machine, which I can use to manually empty the 12-gallon recovery tank, the Flood Hog also features a high-quality stainless steel pump out. I've got the cam lock fitting here, and I got the included pump out hose. We can just connect these, make sure that it's nice and secure, because this pump out's coming out at 66 gallons per minute. The other end of the hose needs to be in a place appropriate for draining, and this will continuously move while I'm working, so there's zero downtime on large flood restoration jobs. Now, once I have my hoses hooked up, it's time to get it running. I can go over here to the switch plate, and I activate my two LX motors there. Now, these are exclusive from Amatec. They are 20 to 30% more powerful than any vacuum that's available on the market. Once I have that running, I can go ahead and switch out my pump out as well, and I'm ready to get restoring. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you today. If you want more information, please check out Mytee.com or connect with us on Instagram or Twitter. You can also join the conversation at All Things Mytee on Facebook. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you again next time.